How to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. Well, to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut, you'll have to go through a bit tricky way. Simply, what you can do is first log into your PayPal account, right? Open up PayPal and make sure you're logged into the account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to simply go ahead and go to the cards section. Once you head over to the cards section, right, under the card section you'll find the option link a new card. So you want to tap on link a new card and enter your Revolut business card details, and PayPal will send a confirmation code via small deduction on your card, and you should be able to initiate a transfer once your card has been linked. So this is how you can transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.